In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find quiz answers in a Microsoft Forms quiz. Whether you're trying to analyze how your students or colleagues have performed on a recent quiz, or you're just curious about the responses, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, let's get started by signing in to Microsoft Forms. You can do this with either your Microsoft 365 work or school account, or even your personal Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your stored quizzes and forms. Locating the quiz you're interested in is quite simple. Navigate over to your dashboard where you can see a list of forms you've previously created or have been shared with you. Once you're in the main dashboard, find and open the quiz you want to review. This will be straightforward if you have a naming convention that you follow or you recall when it was last edited or accessed. Upon opening the quiz, you will be directed to the design page, which offers a comprehensive overview of all the questions and settings within that particular quiz. Now, to dive into the responses, head over to the View Responses tab. This tab is your gateway to understanding how participants have tackled your quiz. Once you click on it, you're presented with an overview of all responses received. Right off the bat, you'll notice that Microsoft Forms provides a neat summary of responses under the Responses Overview section. Here you can view the collective data, like how many people have taken the quiz, and interestingly, the distribution of answers per question. This section is incredibly useful if you're interested in gauging which questions were easier and which posed challenges, as it offers a quick visual representation of responses. But if you're looking to dig deeper into specifics, perhaps wanting to see how each individual responded, you'll need to move a bit further. To see detailed feedback from each respondent, look to the right side of the screen where you'll find the option labelled See Individual Results. Clicking on this will provide a granular view of every answer submitted by each participant. This feature can be particularly beneficial if you're aiming to provide personalised feedback or simply want to analyse individual performance. With these steps, you're equipped to get the most out of Microsoft Forms when reviewing quiz responses. By leveraging these insights, you can better understand your audience's learning progress or areas where they might need additional help. Keep in mind, understanding these results is key in helping you improve your future quizzes and tailor your educational materials accordingly. Happy analysing, and don't hesitate to explore more features within Microsoft Forms that can further enhance your data analysis experience.